In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MP4 videos on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to enhance your Google site with video content, this guide will take you seamlessly through the process. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Google Drive by visiting the My Drive section. This is where you'll keep and manage all your video files. Once you're in Google Drive, locate the MP4 file you want to share on your Google site. When you find it, focus on the three-dot menu icon next to the file. Clicking on this will open up a set of options related to your video file. Next, look for the Share option in the menu and click on it. Sharing settings are critical because they determine who can view your video. Initially, your file might be set to Restricted, meaning only people you specify can access it. To make things simpler and more accessible, click on where it says Restricted. A menu will appear and you'll need to select Anyone with the link. This change ensures that anyone visiting your site can see the video without additional permissions. Once you've set that, the next step is to click on Copy Link. This link is what you'll embed in your Google site, so be sure to have it handy. After copying the link, hit Done to close the sharing settings. Now it's time to move to Google Sites. Open your Google site where you want the video embedded. On your site, look for the Insert button on the side panel. This tool will help you add different types of content to your page, including your video. Click Insert, and then choose a content block where your MP4 video will go. Next, to make the video accessible, you'll need to create a button. Click on Button, and a dialog box will appear. Here you can type in the desired name for your button. Something descriptive like Watch Video might be apt. Beneath the button name, there's a field where you can paste the link you copied earlier from Google Drive. After doing that, click on Insert. Once your button is ready, you can drag it into your chosen content block. This customization allows for better layout and presentation on your site. For added context, you might also want to name the audio of the video. To polish it off, you can enhance the audio section by clicking on the plus icon to set an image. This visual touch can make your page more appealing. Additionally, write a short description that gives visitors more insight into the video content they're about to watch. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the adjustments, hit Publish in the top right corner. This action will make your changes live on the web for anyone with the link to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added an MP4 video to your Google site, enhancing its value and engagement.